skills.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to Tech Talk, and today I got the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and I'm out here in the dustiest, grittiest place, one of them on the planet, a salvage auction. And we're going to use this in the dust and stuff outside and film and see if it destroys the phone. Well, so far, guys, I've been out here filming for about 30 minutes. Everything's been good. I have her in the holder. I take her out, fold her closed every once in a while so she doesn't overheat. But so far, the Z Fold 3 has been doing really well. And we'll see after I'm done here at the auction. You know, really quick video. We'll see if she's able to withstand that dust and dirt. That you can see it. Like I'm here in it. Like, this is one of the dustiest, dirtiest, sandiest places you can be at. Maybe outside of a beach. So let's see how she performs. First things first, I remove the case, and you can see there's some dust and dirt from the yard that was around the case. All right, and a little bit here by the hinge, a little concerning there. All right, let's pry her open a little bit, take a really close look at that hinge. Let me zoom in on this so she'll focus. Alright, now this isn't going to be great for video quality, as you see my finger there, but as I close it up, you guys can see here, she actually held out that dust. Alright, let's take a very close look at the screen, especially the hinge area, and you don't really see any dust. Now, there's some stuff here by the screen protector. Alright, there's some stuff here along the edge by the screen protector, but nothing crazy. So overall, I would say this thing actually performed really well. I don't see any dust behind the screen. Now, granted, you're taking my word for it, but you know, I'm wiping off where I see the dust here in the screen with like my nail around the edge, and you can see I get it out and it's like right here, and I can wipe it away. So if I take my shirt and I just put it in here around the edge of the screen protector, that dust comes right out. And I think those caps on the end there really did do a job in protecting it. There's no sound. There's no... Let me hold it up to my ear and see. I'm going to say it performed really well. Now, here's the thing. Insurance auto auctions, or auctions of any type that are outside, most of these yards put stone down and they're like dirt lots, okay? So there's dust constantly flying in the air. I used this for over 3 hours out there, which, by the one, it's 94 degrees outside, and this thing didn't overheat once in filming. Not one time. You can go check out the footage I did get from this. It will show up over on TK's Garage, which is the main automotive channel. But overall, man, I will say this thing has performed really well. And look at, and there's also, you know, after cleaning it, no scratches on the screen. She's clean. I'm going to say it passed. I'm going to say it performed well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But this thing, pretty solid.